Dullness in darkness. Igniting the flicker within. When everything is dull in darkness, devoid of vibrancy and vitality, it feels as if immersed in endless gloom. The hopes and passions in our hearts fade in the midst of this dullness. However, within this hazy dullness, only by igniting a flicker can we find a way out of the state of darkness, reclaiming the brightness within. In the inner dullness, when darkness lacks brilliance, it feels as if sinking into a lightless abyss. This is not a time to get lost but a moment to use a flicker, to illuminate the soul. Similar to the stars in the night sky, moments of dullness in darkness are opportunities to ignite the flicker within, illuminating the direction ahead. Only in the endless dullness can we perceive the faint but resolute heartbeat within, awakening the dormant hope. Dullness in darkness is a period of dormancy in the soul, as well as the birth of a flicker. Don't let the lack of brilliance engulf your inner self. Instead, pierce the darkness with a flicker, just like the dawn's light. In moments of dullness in darkness, we will witness the awakening of the inner self. Only against the backdrop of dullness can we hear the flickering heartbeat in the deepest recesses of the soul, igniting the vitality within.